Hello, this is Callum from Chris W. Road's Car Superstore. Today is going to be a quick video looking at the exterior and the interior of this Toyota RAV4 hybrid that we have in stock. This particular model that we have here comes with metallic Tacoma grey colour paintwork. It also comes alongside these gorgeous upgraded 18-inch pitane black matte alloyed wheels. I'll open up the vehicle here to take a look into the interior. As you can see, it comes with a combination of this black and cream leather upholstery, and we'll have a look at all the other interior features a little later on into the video. We'll open up the back seat here. As you're able to see, it does come with the same beautiful upholstery. You've also got some beautiful carpet mats and rear child seat isofix points. Take a look towards the rear of the vehicle here. You are getting rear parking sensors as well, plus a reversing camera, and if I'll press that there, you do get the automatic boot lid, which does reveal a really generous amount of boot space here, which underneath does also include a spare wheel. Take a one look towards the side here. This is where you really can take in the beautiful paintwork and shape, and all across the doors here you're getting multiple swage lines, which does give a very sporty look. There's also some hybrid detailing on the side here, and towards the front of the vehicle where you're also getting front parking sensors. And in the second part of the video we'll look into the interior. Now we'll have a look at the interior. Just quickly open up the door here so we can take a quick look. Down towards the side of the seat here you do get electric adjustable seats. Moving on to the driver's side door, you are getting electric front and rear windows, as well as electric mirrors down to the side. You've also got a lane assist and power button here, and different settings for the seats. Up here onto the steering wheel, on the left hand side there's navigating buttons for the infotainment system. You have automatic headlight switch just behind, information as well as navigating buttons for the heads up display, and down here you have the cruise control plus speed limiter button. We'll move on here up to the heads up display and dials. We have the charge and the temperature gauge on the left, heads up display in the middle, and you've also got the miles per hour and fuel gauge on the right. I'll move on over here to the main infotainment system, where the radio does include DAB radio. You have a phone option for Bluetooth connectivity, and the vehicle's own crystal clear, easy to use satellite navigation system. And I'll put it into reverse here, where you're able to see a HD reversing camera. We'll move on a bit further down, we'll have automatic dual zone air conditioning. We'll move on a bit further down here where you're able to see a USB port and auxiliary port, driver's seat and passenger side, heated seats, and there's also different driving modes. You have an automatic gearbox in the middle here with a cup holder, as well as a large leather upholstery armrest with even more storage down below. You've also got leather upholstery all across the dash here as well. If you would like any more details about this vehicle that we have in stock, please visit our website at chriswroads.co.uk. Thank you for watching.